special package, and it came through the PO box. I already know what it is, but I'd like to keep you in suspense. So let's get unboxing. Another package. Okay. I'm going to be unboxing the DualSense wireless controller for the PlayStation 5. So yes, waited about a week and 4 days. I went through the DHL eShop. So it's an app where you make an order through Amazon and DHL takes care of the order and delivers it right to your house. Usually it takes about a week and a half to get it. So let's get started. So behind the box, we have the usual features as in haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, and signature comfort. On the side, compatible hardware, PlayStation 5. I know this controller doesn't work for the PS4, but I heard rumors that it's been working for the PS3. Not sure about that. Maybe we'll test that out. So let's get to unboxing. So excuse my unboxing pen. Okay. All right. And let's get this out of the way. Wow. There you have it. The PlayStation 5 controller. Let's put that aside. What else do we have in the box? Paperwork. And it doesn't come with a USB Type-C charger. So there you have it. The PlayStation 5 controller. It's actually heavier than the previous one, and I think slightly bigger, but it feels more solid. The controls feel better. It has a USB Type-C at the top, and microphone button and a mute button, and the charging, and also a 3.5mm jack under it. Behind there's nothing. Behind it just the Sony inscriptions and a reset button. I think the back has this textured feeling to it. I think it has the PlayStation logos all over in it. I'm not sure if my camera can get this, but yes, there's a little rough PlayStation texture behind it. So yeah, I ordered the PlayStation 5, but I couldn't get it on pre-order, so that will be taking about a week or two to get here. So when it gets here, I'm going to do a review of both the controllers and the console. I also ordered the headset and the wireless, what's it called? Sorry, the charger. So when that's ready, I'll do all the review. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.